Okay, we're here at gotomath.com. Let's click on the algebra and go to sets. We're down at 7.1. What in the world is that? And let's click on the marker board there. Bring that up so I got something to write on. What is this? What is that? Place elements in alphabetical order. I guess I need to change that to numerical order, don't I? Okay. What says alphabetical order? Who knows? I need to change that. In fact, I need to write that down. So this notation here is, this is A minus B. I mean, you could say that. You're going to take the set A and throw out, you're going to throw out B. Okay, we're going to throw B completely out of there. All right. So if it looks like B entered the room, this says toss B out, basically. It's basically kind of what it says. We're going to toss it out. All right. So A minus B. All right, so let's take a look at this. We have 7 and 14 is in A. Is there a 7 or a 14 in B? And guess what? There is. There's a 7 in B, and there's a 7 in A. So we want to toss this 7 out. And what are we left with? Well, there's not a 14 over here. The only thing we're left with is 14. See that? That's how easy that is. That's all we're left with is 14. So let's come up here. Let's type this in. 14. And let's hit the click button, correct. Let's go up here, click answer. Let's make sure it agrees there. Yeah. Okay. Pretty simple. Actually, we got plenty of time. Let's do another one. Let's clear the board. Let's actually do another. There's something there. All right, let's just get this done here. So we have A minus B. So we look at what's in A, and if there's any elements in A that are also in B, like for example, there's a 10 in B and a 20 in B. Is there a 10 over here? Yep. Is there a 20 over here? Nope. So the only thing we're going to throw out over here is the 10. So we have 11, 16, 4, and 14. Okay? So there you go. All right, do you understand that? Hopefully you understand that. And of course you want to come up here and type that in numerical order. Right, that's definitely not numerical order, but let's go ahead and click on the answer here. All right, so we got 4, 11, 14, and 16. And the answer I go ahead and have in numerical order. All right, but it's not necessary. Remember, this is the answer also. Okay, no order does not matter. I got to repeat that over and over again because people go to their teacher and be like, he said it has to be written in numerical order, and it doesn't have to, only on this website and in this box. Is that clearly understood? I hope so. All right, let's come on by, go to math practice. See you later.